Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a super easy but classy look, an olive green smoky eye with pink. Hope you enjoy this video. As always, we're starting off with our eyebrows, which are super essential and have to be popping at all times, okay? I'm using a brick red eyeliner from Blitz that I got from my Sally's for like $1. I'm using the basic black liquid eyeliner from e.l.f., which is used to create my arches. As we let the brows dry, I'm using this concealer by Conceal to get an even base color for my eyes. We're just going to use the rest of the product on the brush to touch up our arches and make sure that they're slaying. This is my LA Proface foundation that I'm going to be using on my eyelids to create a more natural color. This also helps to soften that harsh line left by the concealers underneath your eyebrows. We're using one of my go-to palettes, the Urban Luxe by BH Cosmetics, and this time we're going to be choosing the olive green. As we are building our eyeshadows, we want to make sure that we are focusing all of our color to the middle and the outsides of our eyelids. Now, as we continue to build our smoky eye, we want to switch to our black and then start a 30% overlay over the part of the olive green eyeshadows. The last part of the build for this look is the pink. You can choose whatever pink you want, but this pink just happened to match my shirt. Make sure that this time we're focusing all of the color to the inside of our eyelids, and then try to blend or fan out the black eyeshadow. This creates a more smoother transition of color. Now y'all know I use two different eyeliners to create my wings. The first one is the basic black liquid eyeliner from Beauty Treats. Then I go in to finish the wing with the black eyeliner from e.l.f. To prep for my eyelashes, I'm using my favorite mascara, Intenseif-Eye. The lashes I will be using this time are from Christina, and these are the 747 mediums. I clearly forgot to blend my brows, and to do this, I'm using the Hot Cocoa Eyeliner Pencil by Nabi. For my under lash line, I'm using the 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner Pencil by Urban Decay. Using the same powder foundation from earlier for my eyes, I'm going to cover my face and conceal any blemishes that I have. Just in case anyone was wondering, I usually mix a light layer of liquid foundation over a medium layer of powder foundation for better results, but I'm trying to give my face a break right now. Lastly, we're just gonna add a little bit of lip gloss and we are ready.